Hello YouTube, my name's Andrew and this is tutorial 16 of our modding tutorial series on how to make a power network. So we're just going to jump right back in because this class is huge and we need to get it done. Okay, so we left off doing the south rendering, so now we're going to do the south closing. Okay, so let's just jump right back in and go south closing equals new model render this comma space 0 comma space 0. There we go. And then we'll do south closing dot add box 0 float 0 float 0 float. Where was I? 6 6 1. Okay, then we're gonna do south closed dot set rotation point -3 float -3 float and 7. Oh wait, it's not. It's -3 floats, 13 floats, 7 floats. I got that kind of, oops, got that kind of messed up. There we go. South closed dot set come on, why is it not working? Dot set texture size 32 by 32. South closed dot mirror equals true. And then we just need this right here, the set rotation. Oopsies. The set rotation. Oops, why did that not copy? Copy. Set rotation, and then it's south closed. And then we are going to do up rendering. So we're gonna go up equals new model renderer. This comma space 0 comma space 0. We're gonna do up dot add box 0 float 0 floats. Oops, not 0D. 0 float 0 float 4 6 4. And then up dot set rotation point. This would be -2 floats 8 floats -2 float, and then up dot set texture size 32 by 32, and then up dot mirror equals true. And then after that, we're just gonna copy the rotation stuff again, and then just put up here instead. There we go. And now we are going to do up closing next, or up closed, whatever. So up closed equals new model renderer this, comma space 0, comma space 0, up closed, dot add box, 0 floats, 0 floats, 0 float, 6, 1, 6, up closed, dot set, rotation point, negative, 3 floats, 8 floats, negative, 3 floats. There we go. Where were we? Set rotation, and then this dot set texture size, 32, 32. Up closing dot mirror equals true, and then copy this, change this to up closing, or up closed. I don't know why I keep saying up closing. And now we are going to do down. Oops. We are going to do down. So let's go down equals new model renderer, and then it's this, comma space 0, comma space 0, and then it's down dot add box, 0 floats, 0 float, 0 floats, 4, 6, 4. Then it's down dot set rotation point, negative 2 floats, 18 float, and negative 2 float, and then down dot set texture size, 32 by 32, and down dot mirror equals true, and then set rotation, and then just change this to down. There we go. And now let's just do down closing, and we are done with that part, and we just got to finish up the class. Alright, so it's down closed equals new, oh my god, new model renderer, this, comma space 0, comma space 0, and down closed dot add box, 0 float, 0 float, 0 float, 4, 6, 4. Wait, not 0, 6, 4. This is 6, 1. Whoops. 6, 1. 6, 1, 6. There we go. Now I'd get it right eventually. I got 2 spaces there. Oops. Oops. I keep doing it. Yep, 1 space. Alright. So then down closed dot set rotation point, negative 2 float, 18 float, negative 2 float, down closed dot set texture size, 32, 32, and then down closed dot mirror equals true, and then we'll just do the set render or rotation, and then change this to down closed. Oh wait, actually, now that I realize it, for down closing we do not need a mirror because we will never see it. Okay, so now that we got done with that, let's see, we have 10 minutes, almost 11 minutes. So we will start doing all the rendering. So we have to start off, we'll do another one of these, and it's public void render middle, and then it's middle dot render, and then 0.0625 float, and then public void render north, and then boolean closing, and then this one is going to be north dot render 0.0625 float, and then if closing north closing weird. Oh yeah, I didn't call it north closing. For some odd reason I called it north closed. So north closed dot render, and then it's the same thing, 0.0625 float. And then let's see how good we're doing on time. We are running at 13 minutes, almost 14. So I think we're gonna stop right there at render north. So I will see you guys in our next tutorial series. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. It would really help this channel. And as I said, I'll see you next time.